Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Brar, Reddy in Goa to discuss political strategy for election. Series of meeting planned across Goa. MLAs, GPCC leaders to meet the desk in charge. Government installs kiosks to streamline access to the regional plan. TCP department to call panchayats to suggest changes in the final plan. Venkaiah Naidu promises to raise illegal mining issue in the forthcoming parliament session. Says that government should hand over the investigation to an independent agency. Vasco Sports Club choose not to pray for injunction. Shillong Lajong will begin I-League campaign in Pune on Saturday. And Formula One racing is more than just a wish for Arman Ibrahim. Prudent gets up and close with India's brightest young racing talent. Now the news in detail. Goa desk in charge of the Congress party Jagmeet Singh Brar and AICC General Secretary Sudhakar Reddy arrived in Goa to finalize political strategy for the assembly election. They addressed a public meeting at Vere in Saligaon constituency. Brar claimed the constituency for the Congress party, although it falls for the NCP as per the seat sharing arrangement during last election.
Congress Goa desk in charge Jagmeet Singh Brar and All India Congress Committee General Secretary Sudhakar Reddy reached Goa on Friday. Both will deliberate in detail on coalition issues with the NCP and political strategies during their 3-day state visit. Brar and Sudhakar Reddy attended a convention at Vere. The date of assembly election is not yet confirmed, but tentatively it will be held in February. Congress has considered this and have commenced with their election campaign. Brar and Reddy will address 4 public conventions in next 2 days. Besides this, both will be meeting Congress MLAs and NCP leaders. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with reporter Basuri Desai and Sham Sundar Fatte from Vere.
In a bid to streamline access to the final regional plan, the government has decided to install kiosks. These kiosks allow easy viewing of the maps of any village. TCP department plans to call panchayats to suggest any changes to the final plan. The department has recommended a task force to look into the mining aspect of the plan.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath inaugurated a kiosk that allows easy access to the final notified Regional Plan 2021. This is a first of its kind initiative in the state. It is presently installed at the TCP office at Pato at a cost of 1.5 lakh rupees. Maps of any village can be viewed by typing the survey number on the screen. More of these kiosks will be installed in future to make regional plan more accessible to the public.
This kiosk will help any citizen to directly go and see what is the survey number and what is the use, what is the proposal, what he has got for whatever the land or the place which he requires to. We would be continuing this process by establishing it at Taluka district levels. We would like to also add in the respective places the ODPs, plus any other information can also be built into that.
Putta Raju said that every week panchayats will be called to point out any anomalies in the final plan. Putta Raju also said that the TCP has recommended constituting a task force on mining.
Absolutely. See, ours is a planning department. I cannot go into investigate everything. Every department has got certain things of this or that. Their functions, it is for them to do it. We have identified a broad framework, broad issue. We have suggested a task force for going into the details of this mining issue.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sushant Pearl.
Senior BJP leader Venkaiah Naidu has said that he will raise Goa's mining issue in the forthcoming parliament session. He demanded that Goa government should hand over the investigation of illegal mining scam to an independent agency. However, Naidu has not given full credit to Team Anna for the loss of Congress in the recently concluded by-elections in India. Naidu says people are frustrated with the Congress government and Anna's campaign has ventilated the feelings.
Venkaiah Naidu is in Goa to check arrangements for LK Advani's Janachetna Yatra. The yatra will reach to Goa on 1st of November. Naidu was greeted at the Panji BJP office by lighting traditional lamp. Manohar Parrikar, Lakshmikant Parsekar, Aarti Mehta and others were present for the press briefing on Friday. Naidu called the UPA an unable to perform alliance. He says BJP will take up the issue of illegal mining during upcoming parliament session.
Definitely this issue will be raised. It's a matter of massive scam of nearly 25,000 crores, worth of 25,000 crores. It is in the interest of the Congress party and the state of Goa and the country if they accept for a probe by an independent special investigating agency under the supervision of the Honorable Court.
Naidu has clarified that they will not ask for any midterm polls and party will decide their leader in due course of time for the next Lok Sabha election. Naidu feels that Congress has lost its ground miserably in Hisar, Maharashtra, Bihar and Chhattisgarh by polls. He is not ready to give full credit to Team Anna for the loss of Congress.
These recent by-elections are not only held in Hisar, Haryana, where one of the team members of Anna Hazare went and campaigned against voting for Congress. They were held in Bihar, they were held in Maharashtra, they were held in Andhra Pradesh, they were held in Chhattisgarh, they were held in Karnataka, they were held in Madhya Pradesh, where nobody from Anna's side went and campaigned. So I am not undermining the effect of the campaign. Campaign has added to the feelings of the people across the country.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Khanulkar, with video journalist Devendra Kaukar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.